ChitChat English.
Why don't you come in?
I have to leave soon.
Are you afraid of the dark?
No, I am not afraid of the dark.
Is that a picture of me?
Yes, that is a picture of you.
Is that my picture?
Yes, it is.
Were you busy yesterday?
I was very busy yesterday.
How deep is the lake?
The lake is 20 feet deep.
Whose car is that?
That car belongs to my friend.
Are you ready to go out?
I am ready to go out.
Was the movie good?
The movie was really good.
Does she know you?
She knows me well.
How about a cup of tea?
I would love a cup of tea.
Who is that man?
That man is my uncle.
Can you mail these for me?
Sure, I can mail these for you.
What is the price of this cap?
The cap costs $10.
Are you ready for the trip?
I am all set for the trip.
May I speak to you?
Of course, you may speak to me.
What did he say?
He said he will be here soon.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready to go.
Was there a lot of traffic?
There was a lot of traffic.
When was she born?
She was born in 1990.
How high is that mountain?
That mountain is 5,000 feet high.
Can I turn on the TV?
Sure, you can turn on the TV.
What are you planning to do?
I am planning to visit my friend.
Can we talk in private?
Yes, we can talk in private.
What is going on?
Not much, just relaxing.
Are you able to swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Will the train leave on time?
Yes, the train will leave on time.
Where were you going?
I was going to the store.
Are you in a hurry?
No, I am not in a hurry.
May I sit next to you?
Yes, you may sit next to me.
Were you at home yesterday?
Yes, I was at home yesterday.
Did you like the movie?
Yes, I enjoyed the movie.
When did you buy it?
I bought it last week.
Do you deliver on Sundays?
No, we do not deliver on Sundays.
Where is the pain?
The pain is in my back.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Who broke the vase?
My brother broke the vase.
How was your day?
My day was great.
Which skirt do you like?
I like the blue skirt.
How was the math test?
The math test was difficult.
Would you like to come?
Yes, I would like to come.
Is the bath clean?
Yes, the bath is clean.
Were you out last night?
Yes, I was out last night.
Can you play the piano?
No, I cannot play the piano.
What was that noise?
That was the doorbell.
Could you repeat that?
Sure, I can repeat that.
How much is the bus fare?
The bus fare is $2.
Did you finish the job?
Yes, I finished it yesterday.
What's the matter?
I can't find my wallet.
Can I see that one?
Sure, here it is.
What do you do in Japan?
I teach English at a local school.
What does she have?
She has a new phone.
Can you handle it?
Yes, I can take care of it.
What is on the desk?
There are some papers and a book on the desk.
How long is that bridge?
The bridge is about a mile long.
Will it rain today?
I think it might rain later.
How did you make it?
I followed a recipe I found online.
Why did she do that?
She wanted to surprise her friend.
Can you pay me in advance?
Yes, I can give you the money now.
What kind of meal did you eat?
I had a delicious pasta dish.
Are you free on Tuesday?
Yes, I'm available on Tuesday.
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 10 a.m.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to Italy.
Why are you late?
I got stuck in traffic.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was very tasty.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Where did you find that book?
I found it at the local library.
How do you feel today?
I'm feeling much better, thank you.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought some groceries and a new shirt.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in August.
How did you learn to cook?
I learned from my grandmother.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
Why are you studying so late?
I have an exam tomorrow.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
Where did you learn to play the guitar?
I took lessons when I was a kid.
Why did you choose that university?
It has a great program for my major.
Did you see the game last night?
Yes, it was really exciting.
Why did you move to this city?
I moved here for a job opportunity.
Are you planning any trips soon?
Yes, I'm going to Central Asia next month.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town in Ohio.